Now, classification of disability. There are four types of disability: physical disability, number one; number two, intellectual disability; number three, cognitive disability; and number four, sensory disability. Now, first, physical disability. Physical disability is the disability of any body parts, any part of the body. Uh, Genetic causes may be there by birth. The disability is inherited, acquired. It may be due to some environments. Uh, when a woman is pregnant, uh, at that period, if she gets hurt, injured, this may lead to disability. So, physical disability can also be further categorized in two segments. One is musculoskeletal disability and other is neuromuscular disability. Physical disability is of two types. There are two types of physical disability, that is musculoskeletal disability and neuromuscular disability. Now, musculoskeletal disability, in musculoskeletal, two words are there, muscle and skeleton. जिससे skeleton आया है, skeletal आया है. तो this is a deformity of the body part. This is the deformity of the skeletal system of the body. हाथ पैर किसी का टेढ़ा रहता है, पोलियोस्टिक. This may be by disease also. Sometimes polio leads to disability. So this is musculoskeletal disability. And neuromuscular coordination, neuromuscular disability is some other type of disability. It is the inability of a person, incapacity of a person to perform the routine work, daily routine work, day by day, day to day. Now, there are several causes. सेरिब्रल पाल्सी, किसी को अगर सेरिब्रल पाल्सी हो गया है तो काम नहीं कर पाएंगे, नर्वस सिस्टम ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे, मसल्स कैनॉट गेट द डायरेक्शंस ऑफ फ्रॉम ब्रेन, तो सेरिब्रल पाल्सी मे बी ए कॉज ऑफ डिसेबिलिटी. स्पाइना बिफिडा, ए डिफेक्ट इन द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड वर्टिब्रल कॉलम, it may lead to disability. Poliomyelitis, as I told you earlier, if a child is suddenly struck by polio, it may cause to disability. Sometimes a sudden heart attack, stroke, cardiac arrest, this may lead to disability. Sometimes severe head injuries, which affects the brain, that may lead to disability. So this is a physical disability. Physical disability, this is physical disability. Physical disability, there are two types of physical disability. One is musculoskeletal disability related to muscles and bones, and other is neuromuscular disability related to brain. Now, next, intellectual disability. Intellectual disability is the difficulty of a person. This is the difficulty in planning, in reasoning. A child or a person, an individual who is suffering from intellectual disability cannot calculate, cannot reason. He or she has no aptitude, and he or she cannot, the victim cannot plan. So this is the disorder of the intellectual functions of reasoning, and characterized by limitations of calculations which we need in our day-to-day life. This is intellectual disability. Now, cognitive disability. Cognitive disability, there was one film, Tare Zameen Par, and that child, now imagine that film, all the activities, that child was, that Darshil who acted as the child artist, he had cognitive disability. It is caused due to brain injury or improper development of genetic factors. The victim cannot calculate, cannot concentrate, cannot always he is distracted from the main topic. He cannot solve the problem properly. He cannot perform calculation. He cannot concentrate or meditate for even for few seconds. So, and above all, the victim cannot learn. पढ़ेंगे लेकिन सीख नहीं पाएंगे, लर्न नहीं कर पाएंगे. So this is a type of dyslexia also. So this is cognitive disability. A child cannot inspire, cannot learn, cannot concentrate, cannot calculate, cannot solve problem, is completely detached from his life, and somehow he or she passes his or her days. This is cognitive disability. And sensory disability, chakhu, karna, nashika, jihva, tak, the 5 senses, the disability of these 5 organs: blindness, if a person is deaf, if a person can feel the touch, can't feel the touch, or if a person cannot smell and take the aroma or flavor, smell well, this is, and if a person cannot taste good things, good edible items, good dishes, taste buds जिसका ये हो गया है, खराब हो गया है, so this is sensory disability. Thank you very much.